Welcome back to another video and welcome back to Mike's Man Cave. Now today we're going to have a look on how to change the oil on a Thumpstar 140cc motorbike. Now this will be the first oil change for this bike after running it in. So this is fairly important and you should be doing this after about 2 hours to 2.5 hours of riding your bike. What you will need is a 17mm socket, some good quality oil. I've picked this up the other day, Penrite 10W40, and this is special motorcycle oil. It is important that you buy high quality motor oil because engines are expensive to rebuild, and you will also need a drip pan for your oil to go into. Let's not waste any more time and get servicing. You put your oil drip pan underneath the motorbike to catch any oil. There's your drain plug underneath the motorbike. It is a 17mm bolt, so let's take that out and drain our engine oil. And the oil's about to start coming out. There you go. It's not even too bad, it's still nicely coloured. But then again, you don't want to be changing your oil when it's black. These things aren't diesel engines. Now we wait for all the oil to drain out. Once the oil flow starts to slow down like it has here, you can then stand your bike upright and hold it and shake it around a little bit just to get the last bits of oil out of the motor. Okay, see, once you lean the bike over a bit more oil starts coming out. So you want to try and get as much of the oil out as possible. That's it. Okay, we've shaken the bike around and there's no more oil coming out. So we've got pretty much every drop we can out of the engine. We've cleaned up the drain plug, which we're now going to reinstall. Now we'll just use a rag to clean up around the filler hole. We don't want any dirt getting caught up in there. And now we can reinstall the plug. Now we'll use the spanner to tighten it up. Just nip it up, don't over tighten it because you can damage the thread inside the engine and you don't want that. Then it starts getting expensive. There's your filler plug, we'll take that out. And it's also got your dipstick on there. Okay. Here we've got a clean funnel that you can put in there so you're not spilling your expensive engine oil everywhere. Okay, we're slowly filling up the engine. We'll put about 300-400 mils in there just to see. This is the first time I'm changing oil on this bike and I'm not sure how much oil it takes, and the manual does not specify how much oil it takes. We've put about half a litre of oil in there, so let's just try it out. You're supposed to check it while the bike is standing upright. So we'll put the dipstick in and we'll stand the bike upright. Now while Jamie's holding the bike upright, I'll take this out and check the oil level. No, looks like we're going to need some more oil in there. Now keep in mind that it might sometimes be hard to see the oil on the dipstick because it is nice and clean, fresh oil. Yep, looks like we're right in the middle now, as you can see there. Could probably add a little bit more, but that should be fine the way it is. And now we can check for leaks underneath, and if there's no leaks, you're ready to ride. Now it appears that we have used exactly 600 ml of oil to go into the bike, so we'll know next time to make it a lot easier. Once we've drained the engine, we just need to put 600 ml back in there and we should be pretty much right on the dipstick. So for anyone watching this video, it doesn't tell you in the instruction manual how much oil this bike takes. Well, according to my measurements, it's exactly 600 ml. There you go, job done. The oil has now been changed and we should be right to ride the bike for a few more hours before we need to do another oil change. Now keep in mind that there's more to servicing this bike than just changing the oil. However, the oil is one of the most important things to preserve the life of your motor. These engines work fairly hard and you want to be running clean, good quality oil in these motors to avoid any problems and expensive repair bills. If you enjoyed this video or found it useful, please give me a thumbs up. In the meantime, smash that subscribe button. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.